He's there. He's there.
No! I got it! Okay, the net missed, but I just caught him with my bare hands. Oh, mate, am I pleased to see you? Okay, let's dispatch this humanely as quickly as possible. And tonight, I am feasting. That's not a small iguana. That is not a small iguana. It was worth it, wasn't it? A little bit of patience. Okay, let's get this bad boy. There's multiple ways I could cook this. I'm just debating if they're those preformed eggs. I think they might be. Wow. Look at that. They are eggs, aren't they? Okay. I'm now thinking maybe if I put 2 more Y poles in so that I can hang a plastic pot. I can then boil the eggs at the same time as I'm cooking iguana. And I think, in terms of the up in the ante, I can cook 2 courses at the same time. I think I can do a multi-pot cook. But I don't want the eggs to go off. It's hot, it's a tropical island, and things go off very quickly here. I mean, that is a steaming pot, isn't it? Therefore, I'm deciding that those eggs are probably cooked. I want to save some of the water. Okay. The rest I can let go of. Okay. It's time for the entree. The yolk's runny, but it's hot. And you can eat a runny yolk, can't you? Yolk. Mmm. Tastes like eggs. Right, time for the main course.